This is a 2017 Subaru Outback, and I keep having to jump my battery. Boy, it looks like it's oozing, which these have known electrical problems, but every time I jumped it, turn it off, it wouldn't restart, so I'm assuming it was the alternator. To get up to O'Reilly, and they in fact confirmed that the alternator was bad. So we're going to do our best to change this alternator. We'll see what happens, right? Hopefully it's the correct one. All right, looks like it's the right one, assuming that's what's in the box. So first thing you got to do is disconnect the battery. I'm not going to take the battery all the way out, but I am going to disconnect it. Well, it would have helped because
can't have that run on, because then I'll drop something, sure as the world. I guess I could let that cool off a bit.
it's just a thingy. Probably run out of battery and film space long before I get this done. All right, so that goes there. And then the question is, oh, that's just a... Well, that was easy. All right, so that's... We're gonna put that over there. All right, so that plug-in goes there. You can see how this is set up. There's a washer there, a lock washer. Let's put, oh, yep. So that lock washer goes under that nut. Don't mind me, I'm just talking to myself. I see how that works. Okay.
We'll see. I can see how that bracket would be in the way. Let's just loosen that. I don't think I have to take that all the way off. Do we? Oh, yeah.
It's attached to this cable. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Come on. I think it can. Yeah, it did. There we go. That's going to be a bitch, isn't it, to get it back in there? Right. Just to get that out of the way now. Of course it is. Can't even get this out of here. Is there another one? No. There's just this one, right? Yeah, there's just those two. Okay, there it is, 08A. Fantastic. Before you start, turn key off. Insert memory saver. disconnect battery. All right. Let's see if we can. Yeah, that's gonna be a trick, isn't it? Well, why was that so much easier to get out than it was to get in? Since I had to go inside 5 times to turn it on. There we go. Wow. Yeah. Right. All right. Does it matter? Not really. I guess that's on there. As good as it's gonna go, right? This plugs into that. Just think if I took it to the dealer. There we go. There we go. Now, put this on, right? Put that in there. Negative. Yeah. All right, let's see what happens. The lights came on, so the battery's working. But the question is, all right, so that started up. Well, let's drive. All right, let's see.